How to make a withdrawal in your crypto account. If you are not already in this page after logging into your crypto backoffice, you can access the page from your crypto dashboard by selecting the Transfer and Withdraw option in the side menu, or click the Transfer or Withdraw card in your dashboard. Here you will be able to see your total purchases, total withdrawn or spent, Forex transfer balance, and percentage. You will also have transaction options like Forex transfer or crypto withdraw. In this tutorial we will be selecting the crypto withdraw option. Here you will be able to see calculations of the 60% of total purchase with the 40% cancellation fee, total withdrawn or spent, and the receivable amount. Please verify that the BTC address is correct, since after the transaction is processed, the transfer will be non-reversible. After verifying all the contents of the withdrawal request, please enter your transaction password, click the withdrawal terms checkbox, then press the accept button. A one-time password will be sent to your email. Once received, enter the one-time password and press submit. You have now made a crypto withdrawal request. To track the status of the withdrawal request, select the transaction option in the side menu, then click withdrawal history. Here you will be able to check the current request status of the withdrawal. Please also notice that there is an option to change the language in the backoffice located at the top navigation area.